everybody, welcome back to a little vlog here today. I am in a hurry because I'm trying to get things ready for tomorrow because tomorrow is a big day. We're going up to the lakes, 2-hour drive, not as bad as us going to Iowa, which is a 4.5 to 5-hour drive, but it's still kind of a pain. We may see my cousin up there, never know, Mason, you guys know him from some videos. We may see him, who knows, it depends on where he's at the lake. 4th of July party, it's on Saturday, I believe. Tomorrow's Friday. I think my Uncle Bopper, his name's Bopper. Well, I think his name's Bopper anyway. I don't know his real name, okay? It's Bop's annual 4th of July. So, every year we do a fireworks show. I get my own fireworks along with every other kid, but I need to bring my G7X and I need to bring my Switch, of course, to play with on the road. Things like that. Anyways, though, that's what's going on. Yeah, so we just need to make sure that we have everything we need. So, I'm going to get... The only things I'm going to bring is my G7X, maybe a tripod, one of my mini tripods, and a battery, and my Switch, and my iPad and my phone, and my watch. And, of course, I got to wear the 4th of July hat. I mean, come on. And I may be wearing this American flag that I have on my door, other side of my door for that, too. So I think that'll be pretty cool. Trying to think what else is going on. Anyway, let's get to what we came for this vlog. So I was in an antique store today, and I happened to find this for only $12. It's worth $74. Got it for $12. It's in this bag. It's Keystone, so you guys probably know. It is a 1948 vintage Keystone 25K Capri movie camera. This is a really, really old movie camera. And then if you do this, twist it, this comes off. That's where you'd put your film. This just goes back on. Locks tight. This is the film speed. It's got the little reel-to-reel reel that you, and then you just go. And once you've wound it, you stop the scene, you go to the next scene. This is sometimes hard to do. Oh, we're done with the shoot. So then you do this. Okay. If you guys can hear my parents back in the background, sorry about that. Then it unwinds it. You can actually see it being unwound. Getting towards the end. Hang on. There we go. Lid goes back on. You have your zoom ring, your viewfinder. I need to get a Q-tip and clean this up. And then you got, if you take this little knobby thing out, on the bottom is a tripod hole to put it on a tripod. So it'll be good prop and thing. Right now I have it in the case, hung up, and I just lost the little knobby right here. This thing is so old, 1941, 1948, I believe. But I just happened to see this at this antique store for only $12, so I had to pick it up. I thought it was really awesome. It's done. Just like that, you have your zoom ring. Could you imagine having to vlog with this? Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Look at what I'm recording here on this camera. Zoom it in. Keep track of. Hang on. Unwind it. And that's really it. I'll see you guys next time.